Oh yes, now it's recording. Hello?
I record, I record, I record, I record, I record, I record, I record.
It's recording! Yeah, so right now we're going to see if this bottle explodes. Oh, this looks like some really bad, like, MTV show.
Yeah.
Dude! It's really unfortunate. I won't go near it.
That's it.
That's still anticlimactic. No, it's because they're not dissolved.
Not fully.
They're dissolving
That's
now.
because they could.
Yes, I'm holding it now. That was anticlimactic. Of the panics, 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 of the panics. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I might just drink it. You wait just there. I'm gonna go beat something up.